Hello and welcome to another video from Tiny House and Offgrid Resources. Today we're heading up into the hills to fit a chimney and flue assembly to a stove that I manufactured for two ladies some months ago. They have purchased a gorgeous large Yurt. We'll be fitting their stove today and putting the chimney through the roof, cutting a hole in a very expensive Yurt roof and mounting a pole outside to support the whole entire chimney assembly. It's something that you don't have to contend with when you've got a solid, unflexible roof with steel or timber, but of course a Yurt being essentially a tent, then we've got to come up with something that's a little bit innovative. So come with me, let's get up there and see if we can get this thing in before the next lot of rain and wind hits us. Something that I'm intrigued with is how they've mounted this Yurt to the ground. Instead of digging holes and concreting in piles, they've used screw-in ground anchors that are totally adjustable and support in the most clean and tidy way this entire house. Most impressive.
You'll see me twitch on when I shake the camera. Luckily you're not filming my face.
Oh, hang on, no, it wasn't this mark, was it?
Shut up.
Oh, I love how my mark on the outside coincides
Perfectly
with your mark on the inside. We're
Excellent.
on track.
I'm glad you're experienced with fabrics.
Actually, it's very useful having all these different trades. I did an apprenticeship as an engineer many years ago, and I was involved in the food industry with food processing machinery, and then I worked as an agricultural engineer, so I was working with big implements and tractors and trucks and things, and then I started my own business building sports cars and racing cars with motorcycle engines in them. And then at one stage of my life I had this idea to make my own fireplace, and that developed into the blazing stoves thing. And working with the circus certainly helped. I was employed by them mainly for canvas work, but when you're working with a team in a circus, you're expected to do pretty much whatever needs to be done.
Yep.
So I've ended up a real jack of all trades. Yeah. Well, I've got another job to do this afternoon, so I've got to be going now.
That'll be nice. That ladder's really
Oh, that's
dodgy.
just sweet. That's perfect. Yep. I can take that right out to the line.
Cool stuff. Well done.
Are you okay? I'm lighting it.
God, I am so happy with that.
We want this thing.
Where's the accelerant? You better get
That's the
ready with
pyromaniac.
you better get ready with some more wood.
You can smell it outside. I can smell it inside. Look at all that smoke coming out the front. Can we do something about that?
Yeah, we just need to close the thing.
Okay, we'll go for it then. Look at that beautiful flame in the window. Once more.
Yeah, that doesn't go.
I just noticed a little smoke coming out the door.
Yeah. That's what I was just saying. I know. Now it's drawing it better.
Oh, I'm so happy you've got that done.
Ah, same. Our first
Oh, if you
fire.
ever run out of firewood, you could burn these old coat hangers.
There's so much stuff we can burn before we burn the coat hangers.
And there we go, another job well done. The girls are very happy with this. It took
2 or 3 hours to get the job done, but a lot of it was standing around watching the concrete dry in the hole. Always lovely looking after these ladies and seeing what they're up to next down at this little part of the world that they're making their own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel too, because this is the kind of thing that I do all the time. If you'd like to keep up with my adventures, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Haere rā.